how many roosters I have in here. And they all get along, for the most part. This girl over here is our last senior. She is, I want to say, she's 12 or 13 years old. I'll have to double check. But we had two. One of them passed away a couple weeks ago. She got herself trapped in some pallets. So, been doing a lot of cleaning, so we had to get a dumpster in. Excuse me, all the chicken dust. Here's Spike. He's a pretty dude. There's Rocky. Using him for a multi-purpose bird. My Easter egg layer. She's molting. Getting their coop ready for winter. And that's their pen area. And they have free roam all around the property. They can go wherever they want. All around. Except for the front, which is that way. That's left for the silkies and our harvest birds that we're getting ready to do here when it cools down a little bit more. But this was all full of tables and garage sale stuff from the last owner, my father-in-law. And we cleaned it all out, and so now we're just gonna, I'm not sure. I think my husband wanted to park his truck in here. And that's not mold. That was, we're blowing out irrigation today, so we don't have any freezing pipes. So that means I gotta start hauling water over here to the chicken coop. And I have to get my rebounder up closer to the house now. Alright. Just showing you around today. I'm being called for. I'll talk to you later. Thank you for visiting Montana Homestead. Have a good day. Bye.